रंजीत कार्तिकेयन जी, आप हमारे केरल प्रांत के स्वदेशी जागरण मंच के संयोजक हैं। हमारी जानकारी में आ रहा है कि केरल के अंदर कोरोना वायरस की बीमारी को काबू पाने में काफी बड़ी सफलता मिल रही है। जरा आप बताएंगे कि व्हाट इज द सीन देयर, वहां पर कैसा दृश्य है, हैं? और
हाँ.
इस समय तक क्या है सिचुएशन?
Kerala was one of the first states to probably confirm the coronavirus confirmed cases in the whole of India. And today, Kerala has been in the safe zone. There is no community spreading. There's no much of affected cases, confirmed cases. And the recovery rate also is very, very good. I think that possibly this is because of the health infrastructure that the state of Kerala has built over the period of time. There are private and public institutions, the primary health facilities. More than that, possibly what we have is the awareness, the literacy, the cleanliness, the sujitwa that was been practiced by Keralites particularly, the immunity, the food habits, and also the strict implementation of the lockdown and containment, vigorous testing that the government has undertaken, and the relentless work of the health workers that possibly has impacted very heavily in containing the spread of the virus in the community. So
now the curve has been flattened. The curve has been flattened.
Yes, the curve has been flattened, if not smashed. So there is no new cases. Recovery rates are high. It's an extremely good situation, safe situation as of today.
तो ओके, आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई कि आप लोग केरल इज द फर्स्ट स्टेट, एंड केरल और के साथ कर्नाटक भी है कि जिन्होंने इसको नेगेटिव ग्रोथ पर ले आए हैं, रिकवरी रेट पर ले आए हैं। लेकिन मैं दूसरी बात पूछना चाहता था कि स्वदेशी जागरण मंच है, आरएसएस है, सेवा भारती है, उन्होंने पिछले महीने डेढ़ महीने में किस टाइप का वहां पर कार्य किया है? सेवा के कुछ काम हो रहे हैं क्या? क्या क्या प्रयत्न अपने लोगों ने किया है?
Seva Bharati and Sangha, headed by Swadeshi Jagran Manch, I would like to claim, because we have touch base with the Infosys Foundation, with Sudha Murthy ji, submitted a proposal for distribution of food, hand sanitizers, and face masks to the health workers, volunteers, and also supply of protective health gear, the PPE, which was procured and supplied to all district medical office, which the doctors are in close touch with the protective gear and all, the PPE material. So we have, in association, I should thank Infosys Foundation for immediately releasing a fund of 80 lakhs for Kerala and about 3 crores for national level Rashtriya Seva Bharati, which we could coordinate. And also today what we are initiating is the process of making face mask, 3-ply surgical face mask, through the Seva Bharati units and the Sangh units, using the home tailoring units of people, and making face masks for medical and health workers for providing employment. So each person will get some tailoring cost, some money, their employment, and we think we are making about 1 lakh. We have plans, I think it started today. The material has been procured as of today. We are planning to have at least 1 lakh face masks to be produced. So that will give employment to a lot of people, at least about 5,000-6,000 people at least, who will get about 2 rupees per mask. About 200 masks one person can stitch. That is what the idea is. And also we are distributing that to policemen, health workers, people who go to the banks, in the railway station, all those places. So there is a huge, and also people who are there in the house, stranded, supply of food, community kitchen, all these things. There has been a huge impact, and we have at least touched about 10 lakh lives till now together.
Okay. थर्ड द बिग इशू इज कि सारे देश में, इवन दुनिया में इस समय इकोनॉमिक स्लो डाउन हो गया है ड्यू टू लॉकडाउन, ड्यू टू दिस पेंडेमिक। केरल में भी है, एम्प्लॉयमेंट लोगों का चला गया है, काम चला गया है। नाउ हाउ यू सी हाउ वी कैन रिवाइव द इकोनॉमी ऑफ केरल, एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑफ केरल, और डाउन ट्रेडन्स का, पुअर पर्सन का, जिनका जॉब चला गया, जिनका काम चला गया है, अगले 6 महीने 8 महीने में हाउ, व्हाट इज द विजन ऑफ आवर स्वदेशी जागरण मंच, how we can revive, how we think the government of Kerala should do, please.
See, the Kerala, the main dependency was on remittance. We always say that Kerala is a remittance dependent economy. There has been a lot of export of manpower to Middle East and other parts, healthcare workers to US and Western world. So the remittance was one of the major economic inflow that happened in the state. So today, with the global recession or depression that is happening, that may be impacted. That's number one. Definitely, with the oil prices booming, the Middle East money is gone. Third was the tourism. The tourism industry is going to be hit in a very big way. Many of the employment happened around tourism related activities, houseboats, resorts, beach, transportation, taxis. All these things are going to be big time impacted. Then there are a host of migrant laborers that has come the north, from Bihar to Bengal. There are a lot of migrant laborers, which also is a problem, because they are not able to travel, they are not able to work, construction activity is not happening. So today, what we should possibly look at is going into self-sufficiency. We don't have agriculture. We have only food grains about for 1 month. Entire activities are
in brief.
Pardon?
In brief,
yeah, probably community based agriculture, and also possibly home based small scale trade, kinara store, that kind of activity, distributed production should definitely be worked out. IT related activities should be possibly one of the best areas where Kerala can contribute with its educated population. And government initiative should be to possibly invest in infrastructure, the road infrastructure, which will create employment, and cottage industries, SMEs, which should be into healthcare services like protective gear, mask, surgical equipment, all these things, ventilators, whatever is required, and should be possibly contributing to the supply for the entire nation, if not the world.
ओके, बहुत अच्छा है। और हमारे को स्वदेशी जागरण मंच को इन केरल में और इन फ्यूचर वी हैव टू प्ले ए बिग रोल फॉर द पुअर ट्रेडर्स, फॉर द क्या नाम है एसएमईज, फॉर द जनरल पीपल्स। उसके लिए हमारे को बहुत बड़े प्रयत्न करने होंगे। इसके लिए केरल में कोई अच्छा स्वदेशी अभियान हमारे को लेने की सोचनी चाहिए। अच्छा है, आपने कुछ चीजों के बारे में बताया। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। दोबारा मिलेंगे।
थैंक यू। स्टे सेफ।